What are you doing? Mila. You're so silly. Look at you, pro bottle holder. What are you doing? Who's the mama? Baba? That's a baba. Oh no, you're gonna drip it. It's dripping. Here, you turn it this way. Mwah. Mwah. Kissy, kissy. Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? Can you get up? Let's see if you can get up. You almost got it. Yay! You're doing it. Good job. Oh, you want your bottle back? Okay. What is this? What is that? No, you're dripping it. Here. This way. Look, it's on your leg. On your leg. Not yet, baby.
We haven't started my homework yet.
Because it's not time. Say hi to your sister. Make her laugh.
No, I can't.
Crazy hair girl. You both have crazy hair. Yeah, you can. She'll smile. Look, she's already getting happy that you're here. Let's show everybody the crazy hair. Ah! What is that? Tika, 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 tika.
You!
Did you touch you with her?